Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, we will learn what is XIRR and how to calculate it in Microsoft Excel. Before learning XIRR, you have to understand the IRR. If you want to learn IRR in detail, please go to the video link provided in description section below. Here I will explain the brief. IRR is a financial function in Excel used for estimating the profitability of an investment or project. It finds the discounted rate of return in which the NPV of investment is equal to 0. The result of IRR is compared with the minimum rate of return. If it is higher than minimum rate of return, investment is supposed to be profitable and is accepted. Otherwise, rejected. In IRR, the cash flow dates are not specific. They are considered in yearly term. But what if there are fixed dates of cash flows and they are uneven? Here comes the use of XIRR. The use of XIRR function is to calculate internal rate of return in case of uneven time of cash flows. As you see here in this example, there are specific dates of the cash flows and are uneven. The minimum rate of return is 12% for both investments. Our requirement here is to find out the profitability of these investments. Let's calculate the internal rate of return of these using the XIRR function. In this cell, press equal to. Type XIRR. Open parentheses. In values parameter, select the cash flow range, comma. In the dates, select the date range. This guess parameter is optional. Here you can give the initial guess of what the IRR could be. If you skip this, Excel will consider a default value of 10%. Close the parentheses and hit Enter. XIRR calculated as 9%. Similarly, calculate the XIRR for investment B. XIRR calculated as 18%. If you compare the XIRR with minimum rate of return, that is 12% in this example. Project A has the return lower than the minimum. Hence, project is not accepted for investment. If you look at project B, XIRR is greater than minimum rate of return. Hence, it is supposed to be profitable and accepted for investment. So, this is how we use the XIRR function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video tutorial.